So this project is organized by a group named Akana, and they reached out to me looking for local artists to join a project that they were working on for re-beautifying the area in Southwest on Woodland Avenue from 61st to 66th Street. And this was in November of 2019. And so I submitted some of my work, and they took a liking to my style and versatility. Our next step was me coming up with concepts. Multiple cultures of Africa, and so that's what everything encompasses. There's 15 walls and 10 flagpoles, and I try to encompass all the cultures and countries of Africa, the Caribbeans, and African Americans. So this is the end result of basically that theme and premise. My name is Don Scott. A native artist from Philadelphia. I'm a graduate of the arts from the streets. No, but I didn't graduate from art school, but I've been doing this for a long time. I actually used to work for the Mural Arts program for about 3 or 4 years, about 10 years ago. And then since then, I've just been doing a lot of independent commission for hire works. People from the city know me for different things. I also am a graphic designer, a t-shirt designer, and a DJ. So painting and murals are just one of the other features that I add to my resume. But I had fun with this project. The people in the neighborhood were really accepting the artwork really well. They were friendly. They helped me out. They moved vehicles for me. They brought us drinks. With such a big project like this, it was a little overwhelming with work. So it was no way for me to get this done within 2 to 3 weeks by myself. So I was able to then employ about 8 to 10 assistant artists and volunteers to come and do manual labor, or skilled artists that maybe I went to high school with at a performing arts high school, or maybe somewhere along the lines have met artists doing group art shows and things like that. So today we're like doing like some of the final touches, some of the final walls. Today's Saturday. I think it's the 4th. Yeah, it's the holiday. So tomorrow's our official last day for this contract. So we're just like doing some cleanup work and finishing some spots that still weren't hit yet. But as you can see from some of the footage, we've been busy for the last 2 weeks. So thank you for all your support, and hopefully there'll be more to come from this project. Thank you. Don Scott Art, out.